So how do you use two Discord accounts at once on Android? And let me explain it. And if you're new here, subscribe so we can get us started. So of course we have one Discord app which you can use normally, and outside of that, a lot of people use for alternatives. Like they might want to get the web version of Discord, which is okay. I guess it would kind of work, even though the web version is pretty limited in terms of features. So there is in fact a better solution. So what you could do is to get this app, which is called Shelter, from the F-Droid marketplace. Like you can just look up F-Droid on the F-Droid Shelter there, and this is like a third-party Play Store or App Store where you can get these apps. So you essentially download the F-Droid first, and then you'll be able to download this app. And once you get inside, you'll actually go through the setup process, which will create or separate your phone into work and personal apps. So as you can see, after I ran the app, my apps on the home screen are separated into personal and work. And the point is that you can now clone any personal app into the work profile. So if I come back to the Shelter app like this, you can see that we have a list of main apps and also Shelter apps. So if I go and scroll through the apps, I find a Discord, I tap on it and click on a clone to Shelter, which is, as you can see, going to install it into the work profile. Like right now, it doesn't even have the permission to do it. So let me go to settings and enable it and click on install. And then now if I come back, it should already happen, because in the main I have all of the apps, and in the Shelter I don't have all of them, but here is the Discord. So hopefully it's going to be part of this, and yes, we can actually switch from the personal apps and have one Discord account in there, and we can also go to the work and have another one in there. So that's kind of how you can clone it and have two accounts on the app on the Android. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it. In case you have some further additional questions about this, let me know below, but I'm gonna wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads as well.